Do you want to glow up in 2026? Do you want to possibly go from this to this? Stay tuned and I will help you guys figure out exactly how to do that. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video, but I have a few tips to glowing up in your 2026, having a glow up era, and becoming your absolute best looking self. I'm going to be sharing some of the things that I did between those two photos that helped me get those results. They might not work for everyone exactly the same. They might work for you even better than they worked for me, but we're going to be sharing my personal experience of tips to glow up and transform yourself. So in those two photos, in the first one, it was the beginning of 2025. In the second one, it was me leaving 2025. So right before, the photo was taken probably right before New Year's. Number one, this is a very important thing for your health in the first place. I was a heavy nicotine smoker before in the first photo. In the second photo, I probably haven't smoked almost for a year now, probably since a little bit after that first photo was taken. I quit and I have not smoked since. It improved my skin and definitely my appetite, which helped me gain more weight, which was another thing. If you do smoke nicotine, stop for your own sake. When I stopped, I noticed major changes in my everyday life that were boosting me for the better after stopping. It was not worth the way I feel now to have a vape in my hand. It overall is just really bad for you. It's not doing you any favors. Number two is going to be weight gain. I was very, very skinny in the first photo that was there. And one of my big things was gaining weight and transforming my body. I did gain a lot of weight. Granted, I am pregnant, so obviously that's making a big difference. I was on the journey of gaining weight before I even got pregnant, so I probably just boosted it by getting pregnant. I was very skinny and I felt very unhealthy. I had a very bad appetite for food. I wasn't eating very healthy meals at all. I was probably eating once a day, which was putting a big, big, big toll on my energy overall because I was only eating like once a day, like I said, which was definitely not helping me have energy. Once I did gain that weight, it improved my overall health. It definitely improved my appetite, and I bet you nicotine helped with that because when I stopped smoking nicotine, my appetite increased, which helped me gain weight, which helped me eat more meals to gain more weight. You get where I'm going with this? Once I gained that weight, it improved my overall health, and it definitely 100% improved my confidence by a lot. Obviously, I know everyone's goal is to not gain weight. Either way, it's just to be healthy. You know what I'm saying? I was very unhealthily skinny, and by gaining weight, I got healthy. Number three is going to be better skincare. So within the first photo and the second photo, I had really bad skincare in the first photo. I had the same routine every day. It wasn't like I was switching up my routine every day. Every day I had the same routine. I would use good products. My biggest problem was that I was wearing so much makeup all the time, and I feel like I wasn't taking it off properly because I was just like makeup wiping my face after having a full face of makeup on, and I wouldn't even like wash my face after. There's probably so much left over on my face that I'm not getting off. So I would wake up with like a new pimple every day. Since then, I have a way better skincare routine, and I definitely make sure I always wash my face after taking off makeup, whether I use a makeup wipe or not. I also don't wear as much makeup, which definitely made a difference because I let my skin breathe a lot more now. And if you're one of those people that thinks that letting your skin breathe doesn't work, I got proof that it does. Definitely let your skin breathe once in a while. You don't need to wear makeup every day, and I know you might be insecure about the way that your skin looks without it. It will just make you more insecure if you keep covering it up. Overall, just having better skincare has improved my confidence 100%. It makes me feel so much better in the morning once I get up, and once I do that skincare routine and my skin looks fresh and good. Number four, this is one that you can probably see a major difference between photo number 1 and 2, is embracing more natural beauty. In photo number 1, you can obviously see I have eyelashes on. My hair is dyed. My hair is curled. I have fake nails on. My lips are dark. Like, there's no really natural beauty there at all. Everything in that photo is pretty much just me trying to be fake. In the second photo, as you can see, there is much more natural beauty. There is no fake lashes. My nails are still done, but they're not fake nails. They're my real nails. My hair is healthy and grown no hair dye. I haven't dyed my hair in almost a year. Take better care of your hair. Don't put too much heat on your hair. You know, don't destroy yourself trying to look like something else. Your best self is when you are your natural self. Embrace your natural beauty 100%. It is going to make you feel so much better because number one, then when you wake up every morning, you're not going to feel like, wow, I feel ugly. You know what I'm saying? When I used to wear so much makeup, I used to wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and be like, damn, I'm ugly. I was never ugly. It was just because I wasn't looking like how I always was used to looking at myself because of the fact that I wasn't covered in makeup. I have so much self-love for myself now. Number 5 is going to be hair care. Give yourself better hair care. I cannot stress this enough. As you can see, my hair is decently healthy. I have a pretty Nice haircut going on right now. What I use on my hair is like a blowout brush, which I do have a tutorial in shorts on how I style my hair like this, so go watch that if you are interested. My hair used to be really bad, I'm telling you. I used to dye my hair every color. I didn't care. Like, I used to just bleach my hair back to back to back to back. My hair was literally falling out at one point. I just did not care. And finally I was like, really the only thing I'm striving for is beautiful, healthy hair, which I literally had before I touched it with anything. But one day I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna stop dyeing my hair. I'm just gonna stop putting heat on my hair. And I went to the salon and I said, listen, can you give me a nice cut? I picked out a picture that I really liked. I said, I want my hair to look like this. She cut my hair. I learned how to style it. And I literally have the same exact hair in the photo that I showed her. And I love it. I feel so much better because one of the things I was really striving for was healthy hair, and finally I feel like I achieved that. I mean, literally just look at my hair. Like, it's shiny. I really was striving for healthy hair, and finally I feel like I achieved that. So that was part of my glow up journey. And last but not least, number 6 is gonna be sleep schedule. So in the first photo that you guys see there, I had the worst sleep schedule on the planet. I was literally sleeping for 2 to 3 hours. 4 if I was lucky every night because I was just so busy. For some reason, I felt like I was wasting my time when I was sleeping. I felt like if I slept for 8 hours, I was wasting 4 hours because I usually would only sleep for 4 hours, so then I wasted the 4. It really doesn't even make sense at all because if your body needs it, you're not wasting your time. I was never wasting my time by sleeping. I needed it like really bad all the time. Improving your sleep schedule is going to make you glow up times 10, I promise you, because I feel so much more myself. I know I don't look exhausted all the time. I don't feel exhausted all the time, which makes me just feel more energized and look more energized. Honestly, I truly think that just getting more sleep makes you glow up. Not only because it internally makes you feel better, but because I feel like on the outside you can see that. You know, when someone doesn't get sleep, you can tell. When you're well rested and you've gotten a good amount of sleep and you've had a good sleep the night before, like, you look refreshed. And that is all I have for you guys today. So I'm really hoping that everyone's on their glow up journey in 2026, and we are all gonna glow up by the end of 2026. And even if you glow up in 2025, you're gonna glow up even more by the end of 2026. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. If you want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe because I will be posting tons more videos that I have already. I got them stacked up already, so don't worry. Go take a look at my shorts. I have lots of tutorials up on there and hauls and many other interesting things that have to do with glowing up and healthcare. Thank you all for watching. Bye.